I'm here for another unboxing. I recently got the Samsung Galaxy Ultra S26, and I have a couple other little knickknacks and things. So I'm gonna just unbox for you guys. It'll be a quick little, video, a little upgrade in case you see like my video footage changing a little bit in the next couple months or whatever. But thank you for coming along. I'll put links down in the description for all these things. I got most of them from Amazon. I got like a anti-reflection screen protector, a little case thing, and some camera things as well. But I'm gonna just change the perspective for you guys so you can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So yeah. So let's start with the phone itself here. Okay, so here's the phone. I got it in the black color. It has this little screen thing on it for the aesthetics, Sweet. Okay. I'll just put it over there. And we're gonna turn that on. One will hope that it would turn on. Hopefully it's not dead. Is it not dead? Okay, there it goes. We'll put that in there for now as we look through the rest of this box. So also in here we have a little USB Type-C to Type-C. Some quick start things as well. And a little pen as well for like the SD card slot. Love these things. They come in clutch for more things than just SD card. And it has like all the things. I'm just gonna agree to sending diagnostic data. We're gonna not do that. And then we'll do this. Let's skip it for now.
A few moments later.
Coffee, protect your phone, skip for now, skip anyway, understand, accept, blocker, okay, that's fine. Enter my birthday. I'm not gonna scroll all the way over it, that's ridiculous. Dark mode, please. You all set up, go home. Yay! I still have to set it up, obviously. All the things. I just want to do a quick comparison also with my current phone, which is the S21 Ultra. With that, the little bit of water damage on my lenses. But yeah, the size of the phone is honestly not that much longer, but it seems like it's a little bit wider. Hold on, I haven't taken off my case in a while, so don't mind it. So please don't judge me. So in terms of length, it's honestly, it might be a little bit shorter, and it's a lot more bulky. Like the S21 is thicker, but definitely the new S26 Ultra is wider. But yeah, and it no longer has the curved screen as well, which kind of stinks. But you know what I mean? Like the table wobble was crazy. But let's put on the screen protector and stuff so I don't break anything. So the first thing I'm gonna put on is the Ranky lens frame glass protector. I don't have a scissor or knife or anything, so we're gonna have to just try our best. Okay, so here's some instructions, which I think it would be important to read. Oh, it comes with two. And then it comes with this little thing. So that goes there. Okay. Step 1. Remove all the dust with this thing. Removing all the dust. I feel like it's adding more dust onto the camera rather than removing it. To be honest with you, I'm like suffering right now. And it doesn't seem to be helping, it seems to be making it worse. That honestly helped. So this is gonna be the cleaner thing. Like the wet one? Damp? Damp. Okay. So we're gonna clean this. Oh, that's so much better. It smells like alcohol and lemon, honestly. That's so much better. Okay. And then it says, after cleaning the lens, wipe use remaining out to blah, 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 blah. Cause moisture, ensure that they're fully dry before proceeding with installation. Remove the glass paper if you need. Remove the paper from the lens frame glass. Confirm the positioning, and then remove. Okay. I think it's on there. So I'm gonna just push it down for. It says to attach it, pressing lightly to secure. Whoopsie. Ah, that's so cute. Okay. Yay. That's awesome. So we're just gonna, clean up the workspace. Clear up the workspace. And this is, oh, something else is in here. This is like to remove them, which I'm not gonna do probably ever, unless I like shatter them. Let's hope we don't shatter them. But I got this from Amazon, and they had really good reviews for this one, so I'm excited. Next, let's do the screen protector. I did not get the same lens protector and screen protector like from the same company, but this one also had really good reviews, and it also is like anti-reflection. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
What?
That didn't work. Okay. Oh, that's complicated. Okay, so this is basically saying, like, you need to redo your fingerprint after you install it. But, you know, gag is, I'm not going to do the fingerprint until I've already installed it. And then there's some of these things. And the instructions are in here. This is like a pretty thick packet, but it's okay. It's fine. So, this is an installation kit. Okay, there's two. I was like, why are there two installation kits? There's two screens in here. And there's a thing to watch the video. I think the video might be better for me. So we're gonna scan that real quick, and we're gonna do it that way. Not to make my life hard, okay? Okay, so it wants me to wet my screen, and then it says clean the screen and ensure it's dry and dust free. And this is a sticker. I'm gonna turn this bad baby around. We're gonna do a little light. That's so annoying. Okay, remove the excess dirt with this cleaning alcohol wipe. Beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna hold it in my hand so it can stop wobbling the way it is right now. The second one, I think, is this one. If there's like any like minor hair stuff on here. There's a little bit. I'm gonna need you to turn off so this is easier for me. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's just put that there for now. Place the phone screen side down and pull the tab. Okay. So you're gonna grab the phone, right? Okay, boom. Grab the phone and you're gonna put it screen side down. Close the lid and hold down the tab. Okay. Oh, that's a really tight fit. Okay. I'm gonna take off this little warranty card and then we're gonna close it, right? That's why it says press on this side. Close the lid. Make sure it's completely closed. Press down the middle and then pull it fully. It's really hard actually. Holy moly. Wait, is it supposed to be that hard? Because it didn't look that hard for you. That was so quick for them. For me, open the lid and take out the phone. Oh baby, that so did not work. I forgot to take off the protective bag. It's the slowness for me. Okay. We have to start this over again. Can I do that again? Can I use the same thing? I feel like I can't. Because we're just gonna use the other one because I don't. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Because that was literally the first thing that it said to do. Is to take off the freaking bag. Okay. We're gonna try this again. You know, second time is the charm. It's not really wet anymore, but that's okay. We're gonna use this. To get any specks and stuff off of it. It just looks like smudged. It's not really like dust, it just doesn't look like a clean. You know? Because we only have one more chance to do this, like. Okay. I'm gonna place the phone screen side down. That time when I tried to fit the screen on top, it wasn't as bad. Then we're gonna close the lid again, and then we're gonna pull it. I'm so scared. Okay, press and pull. It still feels like it has a lot of restriction, and I feel like it shouldn't feel like that. You see, that's the problem. Because the screen is in the wrong place. Place the screen side down, smooth into rocks. Okay. The problem this time is this little flap thing needs to be on the screen. And now there's like more dust on it, so I'm gonna just clean again. It's okay. I can follow directions, I swear. I have a college degree. Third time. Push the phone down into it. You put it, you press on here. Okay, that feels so much better. And then you pull it. That's smooth. Not as butter, but it's still pretty good. Using the cleaning cloths, press down the edges to affirm adhesion. Okay. Let's see what I can. Oh my gosh. It feels like it didn't stick. Is it on there? Oh, it is on there. I was like, bro. I see a little bit of bubbles, but it does come with a little squeegee thing, so I'm gonna try to get them out. And then at the top, it has like Because at the top it has like these little hole things to help it stay here. But you can see some it's like super minor. That was not my favorite process. And I've had like a lot of screen protectors before. That was not my favorite process whatsoever. Okay, last thing. So here's the fun with the screen protector and then with the camera protectors on as well. It low-key kind of looks like, let's say it's dust and it's not chipped. Let's say that, because otherwise I'm going to be very upset. Anyway, the last thing is the Spurgeon, I don't know, screen protector. I also got this one from Amazon. It looked really cool on the picture, and so it has like this, you know, kind of mechanic looking type of theme. I'm going to take this little thing off. Oops. And so you just kind of slip that one in. Feels like a pretty tight fit. And there you go. This is it. My new phone. Okay, and that's it for this video. I got my new phone. Honestly, it feels really natural in the hand. I'm really excited. I'm gonna link everything that I have shown in this video that I can. I did get the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra from Samsung themselves because I really wanted a 1 terabyte option, but the Spurgeon case, the lens guard, and the screen protector I got from Amazon. I honestly low-key might get another screen protector. I don't know if you can see this, like at the top it has like the glass is not fully set. I'm hoping that maybe after 24 hours or something it can, like, you know, set fully. Otherwise I might just get another one. And there's one bubble. Ugh, makes me so sad. But anyway, really excited for this new phone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That was so not aesthetic.